Welcome to the ultimate AI coding battle. Get ready for a showcase of digital brilliance and innovation. Welcome, one and all, to the first ever ultimate AI coding battle. Prepare yourselves for a spectacle of digital prowess, where algorithms collide and innovation reigns supreme. Throughout this electrifying competition, we'll break down the action, provide insights, and keep you on the edge of your seats. And today, three digital titans, the very best in the AI world, will face off in a series of coding challenges designed to test their limits. We're talking real-world problems, complex algorithms, and the kind of pressure that forges legends. In the first corner, blazing in with unmatched velocity, meet Kimi K2, the speed demon, a whirlwind of computational power. Kimi is known throughout the digital realm for lightning-fast, optimized code. This AI doesn't just solve problems, it obliterates them with sheer speed and efficiency. In the center of the arena, radiating calm and calculated precision, it's ChatGPT, the logical legend, a master of reasoning and deduction. ChatGPT is famous for clear explanations and friendly guidance. It's the AI that not only finds the answer, but also helps you understand the process. And finally, stepping into the arena with an aura of wisdom, Claude, the wise sage, a deep thinker with a knack for innovative solutions. Claude is renowned for crafting elegant, thoughtful solutions with a touch of artistry. This AI sees coding as more than just problem-solving, it's an art form. Each AI brings a unique style, a distinct approach to the challenges that lie ahead. Kimi for raw speed, ChatGPT for clarity, ensuring everyone understands, and Claude for elegance, crafting solutions that are as beautiful as they are effective. The question on everyone's mind: who will win? Who will rise above the competition and claim the title of Ultimate AI Coding Champion? Let's dive in, witness the clash of algorithms, and find out. The ultimate AI coding battle starts now. Let the games begin. Round 1, the prime number sprint. Our contenders are locked in, their digital engines revving. The challenge? A classic test of computational prowess, a race against time and logic itself. Speed and logic. The clock is ticking and the pressure is on. Every millisecond counts in this high-stakes showdown of algorithms and efficiency. The task at hand: write a function to find all prime numbers up to n. A seemingly simple request, but one that demands a deep understanding of number theory and optimized coding practices. Kimi K2 is often a flash, fingers flying across the keyboard, a blur of keystrokes translating into elegant code. Implementing the sieve of Eratosthenes, a tried-and-true algorithm for identifying prime numbers with remarkable efficiency. With zero comments, pure performance. Kimi K2 is sacrificing readability for raw speed, a bold strategy in this high-pressure environment. ChatGPT takes a step-by-step approach, prioritizing clarity and maintainability over outright speed, building a helper function, breaking down the problem into smaller, more manageable pieces, a testament to good software engineering principles, and adding clear comments for every line, ensuring that the code is not only functional, but also easily understandable by other developers. Claude pauses, taking a moment to consider the optimal approach, weighing the trade-offs between speed and elegance, then delivers a beautifully structured sieve, a testament to the power of thoughtful design and careful implementation, complete with a concise docstring and elegant variable names, showcasing a commitment to code quality and readability. 3 AIs, 3 philosophies, each bringing a unique perspective to the challenge at hand: speed, clarity, and elegance. The core tenets of good code, each represented by our competing AIs. The code is flying, the algorithms are churning, and the prime numbers are being identified at an astonishing rate. Who will finish first? The tension is palpable as the AIs approach the finish line, their code racing towards the ultimate solution. The tension is real. This is more than just a coding challenge. It's a battle of wits, a test of algorithmic prowess, and a showcase of the diverse approaches to problem-solving in the world of AI. Let's see the results. The moment of truth has arrived. Who will emerge victorious in this prime number sprint? Kimi K2 finishes first, blazing fast. The code is compact, efficient, all about performance. No comments, just a streamlined sieve of Eratosthenes. Kimi's response: algorithm, sieve of Eratosthenes, time complexity, on log n, task complete. This is code for the pros, minimal, optimized, and intimidating for beginners. If you need speed, Kimi's your AI. But is speed everything? Let's see how the others compare. Let's take a look at the code that ChatGPT has generated. We asked it to create a function that identifies prime numbers, and what we got back is clear. The code is very easy to read and understand. The syntax is clean, and the structure is well defined. Readable, the indentation is perfect, making it easy to follow the logic of the code. Each block is clearly defined, and the variable names are descriptive and perfect for learning. This is the kind of code that's ideal for someone who's just starting out with programming. It's straightforward and doesn't use any complex or obscure techniques. It uses a helper function, is_prime, which is a common and effective way to break down a larger problem into smaller, more manageable pieces, and builds the solution step by step, making it easy to follow the algorithm. You can see how each step contributes to the overall solution, with comments throughout. The comments explain what each section of the code does, which is incredibly helpful for understanding the code's purpose and functionality. ChatGPT explains, I broke the problem down for clarity. Each step is commented so anyone can follow along. This approach is excellent for educational purposes, as it allows learners to understand the reasoning behind each line of code. This is code you'd find in a textbook. It's well structured, easy to read, and thoroughly commented. Great for beginners, providing a solid foundation for learning more advanced programming concepts. Not the fastest, it might not be the most optimized solution in terms of performance, but easy to understand. The focus here is on clarity and readability, rather than raw speed. For small n, it's perfect. When dealing with relatively small numbers, the performance difference might not even be noticeable. For huge numbers, maybe not. However, when you start working with very large numbers, the efficiency of the algorithm becomes more important. ChatGPT's strength lies in its ability to generate code that is easy to understand and well documented, making code accessible. This is particularly valuable for those who are new to programming or who need to understand complex code quickly. Now let's see Claude's approach. It will be interesting to compare the two and see how they differ in terms of clarity, efficiency, and overall design. Can it balance speed and clarity? Can Claude provide a solution that is both efficient and easy to understand? Let's find out. Claude's code is efficient and elegant. It uses the sieve of Eratosthenes, but with descriptive variable names and a polished docstring. Claude explains, I aimed for a balance of performance and clarity, respecting the craft of programming. The code is professional, easy to follow, but still fast. It's the best of both worlds, readable and efficient. 3 AIs, 3 styles, each valid, each impressive. That's round 1. Next up, recursion explained. Round 2, explain recursion using a Fibonacci function. Kimi K2, base cases n is 0 or 1. Otherwise call Fibon 1 and Fibon 2. Combine results. Task complete. ChatGPT. Imagine asking friends for help. Each friend asks 2 more friends until someone gets an easy question. Answers bubble up. Claude. Picture a patient worker delegating tasks down a chain until reaching simple cases. Results return up the hierarchy. 3 explanations, technical, friendly, and poetic. Each AI teaches in its own way. Recursion demystified, onto the debug-off. Final round, debug this JavaScript function that sums an array. Kimi K2. Bug loop uses i=array.length. Should be array.length to avoid out-of-bounds access and nan. ChatGPT. Your loop goes 1 step too far, change =to, and it'll work perfectly. Here's the fixed code. Claude. The loop's termination condition allows an invalid index causing undefined to be added. Use array.length for correctness. 3 diagnoses, direct, encouraging, and thorough. All spot the bug, all explain it well. The round is complete. Time to crown a champion. What a battle! Kimi K2 dazzled with speed, ChatGPT taught with clarity, and Claude blended elegance with efficiency. Each AI excelled in its own way. No single winner, just 3 champions with unique strengths. Need performance? Choose Kimi. Want to learn? Go with ChatGPT. Crave elegance? Claude's your pick. The best AI depends on your needs. So, who's your champion? Thanks for watching the ultimate AI coding battle.